everybody, welcome. PyCon Australia 2024 is held on the lands of the Wurundjeri Woiwurrung people of the Kulin Nation. We pay our respects to their elders past and present. The Birrarung has been a place for building community and exchanging ideas for thousands of years, and we are honoured to continue that tradition. Welcome to PyCon AU. I am Genevieve Buckley. I'm one of the scientific Python track organisers, and I'm so thrilled to have so many of you here today. And thank you for wearing a mask. This enables many people who wouldn't otherwise be able to safely attend, speak, and help us run this conference. We have a code of conduct, and we mean it. We all deserve to feel safe, comfortable, and welcome. If at any time during the conference you feel unsafe or want to report questionable behaviour, please contact a member of the safety team. If you're not sure whether something is worth raising, talk it through with one of our team and they'll help you figure it out. They have a couple of things that we try not to do here. First, we don't trash talk other communities, whether that's programming languages or other groups of people. We're just not the sort of community that acts like we're better than other languages. We also don't assume that anyone isn't technical if they don't adhere to the stereotypical programmer archetype. And last, we don't make jokes at the expense of others. Punching down isn't funny. If you see anything like this happen at the conference, look, most people are kind people who want to be part of a kind community, so it can be worth gently but firmly calling them in. An easy way to do that is what we have up on the slide. You just say, hey, we don't do that here. We also have a culture page. We love our in-jokes, but we want everyone to feel included. So you can read more about some of those things up on our website at the culture page. All of the bathrooms are marked according to the type of facilities that are inside. Through the venue, all of our bathrooms are gender neutral, but through the public areas of the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre, the bathrooms are gendered. If you'd prefer to use a gendered bathroom, the nearest one to here is outside behind the Goldfields Theatre next to the AV room. If you see someone you think is in the wrong bathroom, no. Please respect their privacy and identity and just carry on with your day. We also have a number of items available for use in baskets in the bathroom. They include tampons, pads, deodorant, toothbrushes, combs, and tissues. If we're running low on stock, please let one of the organisers know. This might be a great slide to take a photo of. We have Wi-Fi. They'll be up on posters around the conference venue for you. Oops. No, we've missed the Wi-Fi. I'm very sorry. We do have QR codes around the venue. Alternatively, the name of the network is PyCon AU. And to access it, you need the passphrase, curly boy forever. It's forever with a 4. Oh, here we go. I'm so sorry. All right, everyone got that? Just flick back to the venue map. So right now we are in Goldfields Theatre. That is the orange marked on this map here. You can see the bathrooms located around us. The river is to the north. In green and blue are rooms Eureka 2 and 3. That is where other talks will be happening today. And next to us in red is the exhibition hall, where our sponsors will be. There'll be coffee all day, and we'll be serving lunch. If this is your first time at PyCon AU, welcome. We're so thrilled to have you here. Tomorrow at 8:25, there is a first-timers session here in the Goldfields Theatre, so come along if you'd like. There will be some of our long-time attendees to give you some tips and tricks to get the most out of the conference, plus you'll get to meet a whole bunch of other first-timers. By now, you should have all received a link to the conference Discord in your attendee email. That's so you can socialise throughout the conference. We have a scientific track channel there as well as a bunch of other fun things. Also, a place you can socialise is at Birds of a Feather sessions. These can be These are self-organized events, very small, can be on any topic whatsoever, things from functional programming, queerness, crochet, running. You can set up your own bird of a feather session using the Discord channel or on the whiteboard near the registration desk. They happen in breaks, before and after the conference, and it's something that we'd really like you to get involved with. There's also lightning talks on Saturday and Sunday afternoon. We'd love to hear you speak, especially if you're a first-time speaker. They're usually very short, 3-ish minute talks, so if that sounds like something that would be fun for you, have a little think about what you might want to share, and you could submit your idea tomorrow. More details coming then. Python, we really want you to be welcoming, so we use the Pac-Man rule when you're having conversations. Usually you'll end up making a bit of a circle, but try and keep an open wedge in that circle so that when somebody new comes along, they can join. And now with your bigger circle, we make a new space again. We want you to always be welcoming. And on that note, something else you can try is the snowball rule, where every day try and meet as many new people as the number of PyCons that you've been to. So if you've been to 3 of these conferences before, try and meet 3 new people every day. There are communication stickers available in the expo hall. You're free to use them and stick them on your lanyard. If you see a green circle on somebody's lanyard, that means they're happy to chat anytime. A yellow triangle means check with them first. And if you see a red octagon, just wait for that person to initiate conversations with you. Please respect people's preferences. We have a lost and found, so if you find somebody's lost item, please let a volunteer know. If you've lost one item of yours, again, let us know and we'll try and return it to you. We really could not run this conference without the generous support of our sponsors. It just would not be possible for us to offer discounted tickets, financial aid programs, and the amazing lineup of talks that we do. I'd like to give them all a really, really big thank you. Thank you to our platinum sponsors, MongoDB and the Python Software Foundation, our gold sponsors, Kraken Tech and CipherStash, and our sponsors, Google, Elastic, Ikigai, Multitudes, and Linux Australia for their support this year. We also couldn't run this event without the logistical and financial support of Linux Australia. There is a job board both on the Discord channel and also a whiteboard near the registration desk. If you're looking for work, post some information about yourself. If your company is hiring, on the other side of the whiteboard, you can pop information about those roles. Speakers, if you are speaking, please come up to the front in the break before your talk, check in with your MC, and stay in that hall before your talk. These are all our specialist track organisers for the Scientific Python track. They are Paige Martin, Kai Striega, Adam Graham, Charles Turner, and me. We are so thrilled that you're here. We're going to have 4 blocks of talks today, split by a morning break, lunch, and afternoon break. We have so many fantastic talks for you. We are super thrilled to be introducing. We have talks from a really wide range of scientific fields, including astronomy, microscopy, bioinformatics for genomics data. And we also have a lot of practical, actionable talks with demonstrations. So what I hope is that you will both hear about something that is completely new to you and hear about some things that might be really useful that you can take home and use yourself. With that, I'd like to say again, welcome to the conference.